Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya Amrit EduTech. Today's session will be on mathematics and the topic would be LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. But we need to first know what multiples are. So let's see multiples of numbers. Let's take three numbers 8, 12 and 16. So the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So what exactly we are doing? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32 and it goes on. Similarly, multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 and it goes on. Multiples of 16 are 16, 32, 48, 64 and goes on. Now if we look at them and all the multiples, we have some common multiples. And those common multiples of all these three numbers are 48, 96 and it goes on. But the lowest common multiple out of these is 48. Today we are going to see LCM by repeated division method. So in the repeated division method, the given numbers are divided by prime numbers as factors. And we keep on dividing until we reach the remainders as 1 in each and every case. We'll see a lot of examples today. LCM by repeated division method we are going to see, and let's take find out the LCM of 12, 16 and 24. Since all these are even numbers, we always take the prime numbers as factors to divide them. And since all of them are even numbers, we take the first even prime number 2, and we continue dividing those numbers by 2 and we start getting remainders. We continue until we close all the even numbers. We continue dividing it by 2 if we can see what is exactly is happening. And at the end, when all the even numbers are done, we go with the next prime number, which is 3, which is an odd number. Avoid taking any composite numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, these are prime numbers. And at the end, we get all the factors and we find out the LCM as 48. The product of all the factors, you can see over here. We'll see another example. And let's take the example of 56, 64 and 72. So again, these are all even numbers. We keep on dividing them by the even prime, which is 2. We continue dividing it until all the even numbers are done. So we keep on doing this. If you can look at the example, the way it has been done. 28 divided by 2, 14, 32 divided by 2, 16, 36 divided by 2, 18. And we continue doing it because see, we have an 8 over here, which is also an even number. So the prime number 2 comes into place and we keep on dividing it. And if you look at it, 7 can't be divided by 2, so it just comes down as the same number. It comes down as an undivided number rather. We close on 1 and the product of all the factors, the LCM is 4032. Let's take another example. 55, 65 and 120, and there will be a solved example over here. So you can see the LCM over here is 1320. We'll take a lot of examples just to clear the doubts, and this one will be 70, 110 and 100. We need to find out the LCM, and let's see the solved solution to this. And we look at over here, there's no 3 over here because we don't require 3 as a factor in this particular example. 120, 150 and 180, another example. The more you practice maths, the more you learn, the better you become. So over here you see LCM is 1800. Another example. So lots of examples. You can see the examples and understand how the sums have been done. In this case, it's 8,400. So hopefully you have understood the concept of LCM and have enjoyed our video. Keep watching Vidya Amrit EduTech videos on different topics. We'll be back soon.